Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Louise. I am Louise. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you one of our newest products that I am super excited about. It's called our Deluxe Cooking Blender. Hey! Let me tell you why I'm so excited about our new Deluxe Cooking Blender. Imagine cooking and blending your food at the very same time. Imagine making soups in the blender. Imagine making your own homemade jellies and jams in the blender. So let me walk you through the different parts of our blender. So this is our pitcher, which is made of glass, and it does have the measurements etched on. In this section is the heating element, which will heat up to 220 degrees. There is also a heated wash setting, and it will heat up to 140 degrees. This is the base with the motor and our control panel. The blender will also come with some accessories. So this is for high altitude cooking. This is a tamperer, and then this is the mesh bag for making your alternative milks. Let's look at the actual panel, and I'll walk you through all the different settings. So we have a smoothie setting. So imagine the smoothest of smoothies. There's the alternative milk setting, a grind setting, and here we have the heated wash. On the other side is for the cooking settings. So we have soup, jam, heated puree, and sauce. So the sauces, you can make a cheese sauce, you can make gravies. The heated puree, you can do baby foods and other purees. And of course, there's soup and the jams. So today I wanted to show you how to make peanut butter and how easy it is. All you need are 3 cups of peanuts. These are roasted, unsalted peanuts, but you can also try the honey roasted. That would be delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and put the peanuts into our blender. Put the lid on and add a little bit of salt. Oops. And all I have to do is put it on the grind setting. But before I do that, I want to talk a little bit about the amazing cookbook that comes with the blender. Inside here is everything that you need to know on how to operate the blender. It gives you recipe ideas for smoothies, soups, alternative milks. It has jams and how to make your own wheat pancakes. It has also in here how to make the different sauces. So just imagine making your chocolate cherry skillet cake chocolate sauce right in the blender. All right, so to get started, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn the knob to the grind setting, and then I'm just going to push this big button to start. And we have 2 minutes and 20 seconds to wait. This is when the tamper comes in handy, to push it down the sides.
A few moments later.
Looking like peanut butter. Voila, we have peanut butter. So now I'm just going to press cancel. I like to go ahead and turn it off. We'll lift the lid, or lift the pitcher, remove the lid, and I like to put my peanut butter in mason jars, but I want to show you how creamy and delicious this is. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some in some mason jars. I got some little ones so that I can do them as gifts. They make great teacher gifts or gifts for friends. All right, so we'll pour this into the mason jar. So this is just, as you saw, peanuts with a little bit of salt. So if you look in the ingredients of your peanut butter that you buy, you'll see a lot of ingredients and sugar. And we don't want sugar in our peanut butter, we just want peanut butter. This will last in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It does need to be refrigerated, just keep that in mind. And all of this information is in the handy little cookbook that comes with it. All right. So I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, but that was 3 cups of the peanuts. I like to buy my peanuts in the bulk section of the grocery store. So if your grocery store has the big bins, it's much cheaper to get your peanuts there. For all these peanuts, I think I spent $2.85. Here's a tip. Before washing out the blender, I like to make a delicious protein shake using up all the leftover peanut butter. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Be on the lookout because I will be making some delicious soups coming soon. Happy cooking!